Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have an icon pack of books, tomes, and guides by Maxine, 7 music tracks of piano moments by Snabish. Next we have 2 new plugins for MZ, a plugin by Toria Kontan that gives us more control on setting requirements and conditions for equipment, and a plugin by Hakun Studio that allows us to create feature-rich minimaps with lots of control on how the minimap and events on it are displayed. Next, we have a Battleback pack of Ethereal Planes by Joel Stadler and Dejika, 26 character sprite versions of the default enemies from MV by Hupoa and Gotcha Gotcha Games, tiny dark elf sprites by Megatiles, Zelda-like dungeon tiles by Sergey, and lastly, some RPG tilesets by Armando. That is all for today. Go back to game making now.